Hey guys, welcome back to the challenge and this £1 million. Well, can we reach it? It's one way to find out. We need to keep trading to reach that goal. Well, let's jump onto the chart and see what the market has got in store for us today. Now, straight on to crude oil. At the moment, as you can see, it has been very bullish throughout the day. I'll just pop open online streaming so then I can see what is going on, and if anyone is texting right now. Crude oil we're talking about, it's been very bullish throughout the day, and that is purely because I believe it's the sell-off from yesterday and we're just kind of bouncing off the support right here and then just making some grounds potentially to test the MA on the way up. When that's gonna happen, most likely comes Monday, but as you can see, it's been bullish throughout the day because we oversold yesterday. Is that yesterday? 16th, yes, correct. Yeah, so we oversold yesterday and today we are bullish on crude oil. So if you have to open a position, the trend is your friend, so making sure you go into a longer position compared to a short sell on crude oil. Although I have made some profit today of this sell off right here. I've entered the position, I've closed around here, and then I had a stop loss around here. So I've managed to make some profit out of this particular trade, and then since then it just keep on pushing up above the MA. So just be mindful when you short sell like I did earlier as well. But on a gram scale of things, let's see crude oil, natural gas, sorry. Let's see natural gas, as that's been quite a sell-off today as it stands at the moment. And we keep on selling off natural gas by the looks of things, right? So that is purely because, again, if we're looking on 1 hour candles, you'll see we're trading below the MA. And again, the trend is your friend. If you are to enter into any position of natural gas today, I'd be suggesting to go for a short sell because, again, the trend is your friend when it comes to day trading. I am currently up, I believe. Let's have a quick look. I'm right here and then see how that's looking like for today. Let's move this one here. Like I said, obviously the short sell make some other profits throughout the day. So let me see how much I'm up so far on the day. Let's display that, and it's so far so good, I would say. £179, and then we still got plenty of time to make that even a better day. Now let me move that again, purely because there you go, it's a white screen, so you'll not be able to see everything as it is. So that's where we are at the moment. I've got a open position on natural gas short sell, and currently I'm up about another £500, but I'll keep that going as we may find some support at 2.9 for a contract. So yeah, just making sure if you're going and do something today, the trend is your friend, and that is natural gas, it's short selling, and crude oil is a long positions because, as you can see, the sell off from yesterday has caused some gains so far, and crude oil is 4% down on the day. And I'll repeat myself, that is because on the hourly chart you'll see we break below the MA midday yesterday, and we have ever since selling off natural gas. Now I do believe contract, but obviously don't take my word as exactly what will happen on the market, because no one really knows what is gonna happen in any moment. We may break below that support and continue downtrending, and then if we look on the daily chart, then you see we're testing the 100 MA on a daily candles. So just be mindful of that, and the support stands to about 2.9 for a contract on that future. Now I'm keen more on natural gas, on crude oil, although it's again another a bullish pattern, sorry, bearish pattern on a 1 day chart, but on the minute chart it is all day bullish. So if you are in a long position, good for you, because the trend is your friend, like I always like to say with that regard. I can see there's some more people on the live chart. Guys, let me know in the comments, have you managed to make some profit? I'm currently up £179. That's purely of natural gas and crude oil, and it's so far so good here. How about yourself? Let me know in the comments below. And let's see if we're gonna bounce off the MA on the crude oil on the 100 MA, and if that's gonna work. And then if we find any support on natural gas, then I'll be looking to close my position, and that will give me potentially another £700 profit because I sold it right here, short sell, and then it's been downtrending ever since. Or we may break below that and continue downtrending from there, but only time will show us as it stands at the moment. Friday, it's usually a volatile day because people have a swing trades opened on Monday, and then we're looking to close in profits today or close in loss, it depending on their positions, but that's where we stand at the moment. It's been a good-ish week so far. The market has done quite a lot. If you go to an hour chart, and then let's see what was the week. Now it's 17, so we're looking at the 13 right here when we open the Monday. And then, to be fair, yes, there's been a few good days this week, but next week better, I believe it will be. And let's see the week for natural gas. Yeah, we broke above the MA, tested it a couple of times, and yesterday midday we broke below that. It's purely after the report. To be fair, looking at the chart, it's that big candle yesterday when I was live on that report, and I showed you exactly what happened, and also told you never trade before the report, always after the report, because it's easier to get in and out of trade, because then you can in fact react to anything happening in the market. So yeah, that's how it looks like today so far. Let me know in the comments below how your day trading is going. I'm eager to find out. M-Dot, you here today? And Turk, are you also here? I'm keen to see how you've done today, and if I can help you with something else. No predictions for today, I believe. But let's see. Essentially, we're looking to bounce off some support around $2.9 for a contract on natural gas. That's what my prediction is so far, because if you go on a daily chart, you'll see we're testing the 100 MA on a daily chart. So just be mindful of that, and maybe prepare yourself for a little reverse somewhere along the lines here. Now back to crude oil. We keep pushing up, currently meeting that resistance of $74.5 per barrel, and we can't really break through it properly as it stands at the moment. So let's wait and see if that will change. It's 3 o'clock. We closed another hour candle, so maybe in for a change of direction or anything like that. Same with natural gas. As you can see, we did have some empty candles. That is potentially a sign for a reversal, so to speak. But again, I don't want to call it out because it may never happen, and I'll be looking to offload my position somewhere around here just to confirm with a higher highs, really, on that one. And then let's see crude oil, 100 MA. Managed to take any advantage of this push. No positions today. This particular push right here around 8, half 8, so to speak, because we're just about to break above the resistance. Oh, we broke above it. That's a good sign for those who's got a long position. And let's see, natural gas, it is probably reversing right around here because like I'll repeat myself, we are meeting some support on 1 day candles right here. We're just testing that 100 MA and we may bounce off it like we did on few other occasions, but only time will show us if I'm right or wrong. But yeah, it does look like a little bit of reversing right here, at least to myself. Let's see crude oil. We bounced off the MA, continue uptrending from there. We're 2% up on the day on crude oil. So if you are to open any positions, I would suggest potentially looking for a long position of yesterday. At the moment, we are currently uptrending from there. Now I want to see on a daily chart. Yeah, beginning of the month, I suppose. So far, so good. I've got someone else join me on the live stream today. Position, or have you managed to get some good profits out of the volatile markets today? Perhaps you've managed to get some out of the sell of natural gas, or if you're not, maybe looking for that reversal or hoping for a reversal to see what will happen. But it may continue sell off, and then I'll be continually profiting from my open position on natural gas. It's £636 up so far, and adding that to my £180, it's give or take £900 on a Friday. Amazing Friday so far. So let's just keep it going and potentially make it up to 1,000 would be ideal for today. Now, usually don't like trading on Fridays, but that's not to speak. I haven't traded today like you. If it works, it works. Very simple, emotionless. That's how you want to trade as well. Let's say we're testing that support of natural gas. Let's see if we can break below that and potentially find a new support of 2.9 per contract, or we continue uptrending from here, test the MA, break above it, and then potentially looking to get back some of the losses of today for natural gas. But only time will show us. It's only 3 o'clock, we still got plenty of time to trade, and usually there is a huge change of directions around late, especially on Fridays. Then you'll see change of direction and then quite good gains, because again, weekend is coming and traders want to either close in profit, or they're just preparing on a swing trade they believe in that will work out over the weekend and into the coming week as well. Now we couldn't break that support of natural gas right around here, around what it is, 2.93 per contract. We're testing it. Now if we don't break it, I believe it's going to be a big candle up, because short sellers like myself will be looking to lock in profits and then move on to the next edge. And then if they do that, potentially looking to make a higher high and then test that MA as it stands at the moment at about 2.97 for a contract. Back to crude oil. I always mistaking crude oil with natural gas. I don't know, it's very simple. I only got 2 tickers anyway. I don't know how I can mess that up, but hey ho, we're here. We're looking at crude oil at the minute. Let's say, come on, crude oil. I want you to reverse hugely, and then I'll be short selling. I'll be waiting for you. Fun. Anyway. Okay. Yeah, we do find some support right here, guys. I mean, it was expected anyway, because looking on the daily, then you can see that is the 100 MA, and that was expecting some kind of support. I'll be monitoring closely to see if we break below or we make a higher high, and then I'll be looking to lock in profits while I can before any short squeeze, really. So that is pretty much for today. No reports, nothing else. I hope everyone is having a fantastic trading today. I really wish you a good weekend. I'm gonna wrap it up for today because there is not much else I can talk for apart from if you are to enter in a position on natural gas, probably looking for a short sell, and then if you are looking to open up a crude oil position, potentially looking for a long position because it's been bullish throughout the day. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll be back in on Monday with more tips and tricks how we can make some profit off the markets trading crude oil and natural gas. Very simple, straightforward. Thank you for joining me. Have a fantastic trading day and be careful.